It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 4th of May. I'm Michael Groff. The heat is on here in the Southwest. Temperatures going well above average, approaching record levels by Sunday. How long does the heat last? Do we have any sign of relief in our forecast? Let's talk about it as we get out to the almanac and look at it from yesterday. 83 degrees the high in the valley after a morning low of 58. A glorious day. And outside right now, here at 4:59 a.m., the sun coming up over the Superstition Mountains as it gets light very early now. We start this day out at 64 degrees at Sky Harbor under clear skies. Dew points at 37, humidity 37%, winds light, barometer steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning, 52 the cool spot at Fort McDowell. But here in the valley, upper 50s to mid-60s for most of us. Water vapor satellite view, there's that ridge building in across the western states, and that'll be the dominant weather feature for a long time around here. On the watch warning map, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in parts of southern and central Texas this morning. Red flag advisories in North Dakota, Minnesota. Wind advisories for the Great Lakes and the Northeast. And here in Arizona, we have that excessive heat watch for south central and southwest Arizona, as well as southern California, including places like Phoenix, Yuma, Quartzsite, Parker, Imperial, and Blythe. And that is in effect for Sunday. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms from Akron, Ohio to Pittsburgh, Syracuse, Binghamton, Albany, Buffalo, New York. A marginal risk for the adjacent areas there, as well as parts of southern and eastern Texas and Louisiana. Precipitation for the next 7 days. Not going to spend a whole lot of time on this map. Nothing statewide. Let's get into the details of our weather right now as we check the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. There's our building ridge. Upper heights climbing between 582 and 585 decameters today. And that translates to mostly sunny skies down at the surface today. High temperatures low to middle 90s, about 10 degrees warmer than that which we experienced yesterday. Tonight, the skies are clear, lows in the 60s. Tomorrow, sunny, afternoon breezes pick up. High temperatures right around 100. Sunday, sunny, breezy at times, especially in the afternoon. High temperatures 104 to 107. The record high on Sunday is 105. Very likely that we will tie or exceed that mark. Monday, we still have a shortwave trough that is anticipated to move north of Arizona. How much that impacts the ridge, probably not a whole lot, but could knock temperatures down a degree or two. High temperatures, we'll say 100 to 103. Same thing on Tuesday and Wednesday, upper 90s to about 102. Any rainfall is hundreds of miles to our north and west across the Pacific Northwest. Thursday, mostly sunny skies, and again, typical afternoon breezes all next week, as is common this time of year, spring and summer. High temperatures upper 90s to about 102. Let's go to a week from today. This is Friday, the 11th of May, and ridging continues here across the southwest. Westerly flow, high temperatures mostly upper 90s to about 102. Here's Saturday, the 12th of May, the ridge really building in. Very intense ridge now over the southwest. Upper heights between 588 and 590 decameters. High temperatures 102 to 105. Sunny skies, dry air. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Sunday the 13th, and certainly there is model disagreement out here. But if this run happens to be right, that's a 594 heat ring sitting right on top of us. And check out these numbers coming off the latest GFS. Highs around 108. Yeah, let's hope not. All right, let's check the temperatures coming off the GFS ensemble through the period. And more or less, highs every day in excess of the century mark. Lows mostly in the mid-70s. This looks like more of a mid or late June scenario than it does early May, early or mid-May. But that's the way it goes this time of year. Summer has arrived. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated, and have yourselves a great Friday and a great weekend, everybody.